Hi everybody, just a quick one today. I have the new Runcam Split 3 Nano 255, the Whoop version, which is designed to fit on Whoop style flight controllers, which makes mounting pretty easy on those. First thing I tried it on was a Racer X Twig. Here with the stock Canopy, it fit great and it was a terrific setup with the Beta FPV board, but I was getting a lot of jello, and I'm blaming the Canopy on that. Maybe a little bit too soft to get good HD, so a lot of jello. Then I decided to try it on the Eachine Twig 115, which has this hard plastic canopy, and it was the jello was much better. Still had a little bit, as you might expect in broad daylight, but it was much better and I would say acceptable. But unfortunately I only got one flight in because quite stupidly I was flying this with an XM Plus receiver with just one antenna, which I thought would be good enough, and it was good enough for a short range, but then I went up really high. I kind of actually forgot that I only had one antenna on there. I went really high up, it failed safe, it went straight down to the ground, and after it hit the ground this stopped working, so it no longer works, but it did save the recording. So I'll show you the flight here with the minimal jello, and it was flying really well in here up until the moment when it hit the ground and something broke. So I'm not sure exactly what. I've looked at it, nothing visually seems amiss, and none of the wires seem to have been disconnected. So maybe it got wet and something shorted. I'm not sure what happened. I don't see any visible signs of damage, but it no longer powers up, so not sure what happened. But at the very least I thought I can show you how the footage looks from it, what you can expect on the standard settings, and I think it looks pretty good. But unfortunately mine's no longer working because I crashed it. But anyway, just wanted to show you the footage in case you were curious how the HD looked from this Runcam Split 3 Nano Whoop, so wanted to at least share that even though it was a crash. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.